Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, make an AFK macro with Logitech G HUB. In order to create AFK macro in Logitech G HUB for either the G502 or GPro wireless, you'll essentially create a sequence of mouse or keyboard actions to keep your character active in a game or applications while you're away. So what you need to do is for Logitech G HUB software, if you don't have a specific profile for this, you want to create a new one or select an existing one. And in the G HUB, navigate to a macro sections. When you go to the macro section, click the plus button to create a new macro. In the macro editor, you'll record the sequence of actions you want your macro to perform. For AFK macro, this might include clicking a button or moving the mouse and then pressing key to maintain character active in the game. Otherwise, adjusting the game settings or using in-game feature to prevent idle timeout as well. After recording, you can assign the macro to a button on your mouse or keyboard. Test the macro in the game or application to ensure it works as expected and adjusted as needed. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.